Electronic Arts will go private in a $55 billion all-cash buyout led by Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, Silver Lake, and Jared Kushner's Affinity partners, the largest leveraged buyout on record and a high-stakes wager that one of gaming's most iconic publishers can scale faster off Wall Street. Electronic Arts has been one of Silicon Valley's longest-running gaming companies, founded in 1982 by former Apple marketing director Trip Hawkins and backed early by Kleiner Perkins and Sequoia. Its catalog spans sports titles like Madden and FIFA, now FC, alongside life simulators like The Sims and shooters like Battlefield. Earlier this year, the company suffered a 17-year record stock drop after the company warned of a shortfall in annual net bookings, mostly because of problems with its global football business, according to the Wall Street Journal. For buyers, EA represents a rare mix of cultural staying power and recurring revenue, making it one of the most coveted assets in gaming. EA struck a definitive agreement that values the company at about $55 billion, with stockholders set to receive $210 per share in cash. The consortium of the Saudis' public investment fund, Silver Lake, and Affinity Partners will acquire 100% of EA, with the fund keeping its nearly 10% ownership by rolling those shares into the new private company rather than cashing out. Financing includes roughly $36 billion in equity and $20 billion in committed debt from JP Morgan, with $18 billion expected at close. The board approved the deal, with closing targeted for Q1 2027, pending shareholder and regulatory approvals. EA will delist after closing, but will remain headquartered in Redwood City, with Andrew Wilson continuing as CEO. Co-CEO of Silver Lake, Egon Durbin, said, quote, "We are honored to invest and partner with Andrew, an extraordinary CEO who has doubled revenue, nearly tripled EBITDA, and driven a 5-fold increase in market cap during his tenure." If completed, the transaction will surpass TXU's 2007 buyout to become the largest leveraged buyout on record, according to DealLogic. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.